Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss on this topic stock Android. This is a popular tech word nowadays. Whenever you are thinking to buy a new smartphone, you will probably get confused about the OS, whether it would be stock Android or custom UI. Now, in this video, I will make you aware of this fact, stock Android. Before knowing what is stock Android, let us first discuss what is Android. And Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google. It is written basically in Java. The user interface of this Android is written in Java codes. The core part of Android is written in C codes and C++. Android has modified Linux kernel. Android is an open source software stack designed primarily for touchscreen devices like smartphones and tablets. Now, what is software stack? A software stack is a set of programs that work together to produce a result, typically an operating system and its applications. This is the architecture of Android. You can see at the upper level the applications, home, contacts, phone, browsers, the application we use in our smartphones. At the level beneath, you can see the application framework, activity manager, window manager, content providers, view systems, package manager, telephony manager, resource manager, location manager, and notification manager. At beneath, you can see libraries, the surface manager, media framework, SQLite, that is called the server query lite, OpenGL, ES, FreeType, WebKit, SGL, SSL, libc, Android runtime, library course, Dalvik virtual machine, DVM, which is called, and the core level you can see the Linux kernel, display driver, camera driver, flash memory driver, binder, keypad driver, Wi-Fi driver, auto driver, and power management. So this is the architecture of an Android system. Now the main topic, what is stock Android? Stock Android is the purest form of Android. It is directly provided by Google without any modification and are available for Nexus devices, which means that all the Nexus devices comes with stock Android by default. It means the OS that explains how Android OS should be. These are the devices which have the stock Android. Google Pixel, Android One, Google Nexus, Xiaomi Mi A1, Moto E4 Plus, and many more. Now, what is the advantage of this stock Android? First of all, there is no bloatware. Whenever you are using a custom UI, that is called custom user interface, you can see the logos are getting too much glittery. This happens due to the installation of bloatware. You may be unaware of this fact that your device may have bloatware. Several brands try to distinguish their smartphones from one another, often fill up the internal storage with softwares. These are called bloatwares. These unneeded apps fill up the internal storage as they keep getting automatically updated, increasing their size over time and wasting the resources. The battery drainage of your phone will also be decreased due to this bloatware. The stock Android also have Google customized. It has modified the firmware of the device, often for either locking it down with their services or restricting the hardware on some models. Some manufacturers disable GPS via software because terms and conditions with the operators don't allow them to provide GPS to low costing cell phones, forcing people needing GPS serving to upgrade. This is usually prevalent in Western and European markets. Stock Android ROMs doesn't have those restrictions. So see, stock Android is very much secure and it takes a less memory of your device. So these the main facts of stock Android. Hope you will like the video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please share and comment below. You can follow me on Instagram.